Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to change the theme in Google Chrome to refresh the look of your browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer, then click the Customize Chrome button in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you're already on a website and don't see this button, just open a new tab. The Customize Chrome button is always available on a blank tab. When the Customize Chrome window opens, if you just want to switch between dark mode and light mode, you can choose between light, dark, or device. The device option automatically syncs with your system theme, meaning if your Windows is in dark mode, Chrome will also switch to dark mode and vice versa. Now, if you want to change the theme, click on the Change Theme button. A list of themes grouped by categories will appear. Pick a category you like and click on it. You'll see several themes under that category. If you want the theme to refresh automatically every day, toggle the Refresh Daily option on. If you prefer a specific theme, turn it off and double-click on the theme you want. Next, if you go back to the previous screen, you'll see an Upload an Image button. This allows you to upload a custom image to use as your browser's background. Just make sure to choose an image that matches your screen resolution to avoid stretching or misalignment. If none of these options meet your needs, go back to the Customize screen, scroll to the bottom, and click on the Chrome Web Store link. In the Chrome Web Store, switch to the Themes tab. Here, you'll find thousands of themes categorized on the left-hand side. Browse through them, pick one you like, and click on it. Then hit Add to Chrome to install it. Open a new tab to see how it looks. If you don't like it, simply go back and click Undo. Finally, if you want to return to Chrome's default theme, just go back to the Customize menu, click Change Theme, and select Default Chrome. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can change the theme in Google Chrome and customize your browser's appearance to suit your style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more great tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.